Okay, for Canon and D, the bass line for the Simplified-piano, we're going to basically use only 3 fingers as our first, second, and third. We're going to start off with our first finger on the D note, right here. Then we're going to go down to the A right here with our third finger. Walk our first finger down to the B. Third finger down over here to the F sharp. Walk our first finger down to the G. Reach over for the third finger to the D. Back up to the first finger G. And then we'll cross over with our second finger to the A. Okay, that way we'll go back up here and we'll reach again. Let me show you one more time. So 1, 3, cross, walk over, 1, 3, walk over, 1, 3, 1, cross over, 2. Okay. Now another way that you could also do it, in addition, instead of playing with the 2, you could cross over with the 3. So it'd be like this: 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 3. So you have a choice of either crossing over with the third finger or crossing over to the second finger, depending on what you're more comfortable with.